Okay, after we have learned what is sigma notation, now let's go through one example. So in this example, I want to sum up from 1 to n bracket 2a plus r to the power 2, right? I need to sum this thing up. So the first thing that we have to do is we need to expand out this thing, right? This 2a plus r to the power 2. And this is just simple quadratic expansion, right? If you expand out, you get something like this. You get equal to okay, think on when you expand this thing out, you haven't applied the sigma notation yet, so you must still write the sigma notation, right? Okay, you still write the sigma notation in front, and you expand this thing out, so you get a bracket. Okay, remember put a bracket. So expand out, you get a 4a square plus, right? 2 times 2a is a 4a, 4a times r is a 4ar. You expand the one behind is plus r square. Okay, so equals to, okay, the next step, you need to break this thing up into 3 parts using the property that we have learned earlier. So when you break this up, you'll get n summation r equals to 1, 4a square, right, plus n summation r equals to 1, 4ar, plus n summation r equals to 1, r square. Okay, we simply break up this summation into 3 parts, 4a square, 4ar, and r square. Alright, then we'll tackle them one by one. For the first one, you can see that the letters are different. This is R and this is A. So what does this tell us? It tells us that this 4A square is a constant. Okay, I'm summing out a constant. Alright, and so to sum out a constant, okay, you simply take the number of terms, which is n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, let me just write it here in blue. Alright, this one is a constant. Okay, and the number of terms you take n minus 1 plus 1, right? You get n terms in total. Okay, that means I'm summing up 4a squared in total of n times. And so the answer is simply just n times 4a squared, right? N times 4a squared. So you get 4na squared, right? 4na squared. Okay, that's for the first part. Okay, for the second one, the 4a is a constant, so you can put it outside, right? So you can simply put the 4a outside, the summation. The r remains inside. Okay, and for this one, you can leave it there first. I will simplify this later. Okay, so the first 4a square you leave it in front. The 4a you leave it in front. This 4a. Okay, summation r is a formula which we went through earlier. The formula is n over 2 n plus 1. Right? This is sum of AP. Okay, n over 2 n plus 1. And for summation r squared is another formula, which is n over 6 n plus 1 2n plus 1. Okay, so for these two, for summation of these two, basically just apply the formula. Alright, and of course the answer you can't stop here, you have to simplify further. Alright, so let me simplify the steps, continue the steps here. Right? You need to simplify further. So the 4na square you leave in front. Okay, this 2 and this 4 can cancel away, so you're left with a 2. So you're left with 2an. 2an. Okay, followed by n plus 1. Okay, then plus the term the last term I just leave it there, right? N over 6 n plus 1 2n plus 1. Okay, from here you can simplify some more, right? You cannot leave your answer like this. You must factorize out the common factor. Okay, so let's take a look at what's common factor. You can see that there's an n here, there's an n here, and there's an n here, right? So obviously the first common factor you take out is an n, right? There's an n here, there's an n here, and there's an n here. Okay, the second common factor we need to look out for is a number, right? There's a 1 over 6 here. So in order to prevent a fraction over here, I need to pull out the 1 over 6. So let me just write here n over 6. Alright, I pull out the 1 over 6, I put it outside. Okay, so you're left with a big bracket here. Okay, now initially it's a 4. If I take out a 1 over 6, Okay, I must ask myself, what number should I put here? 1 over 6 times what number will give you back 4? And the answer is 6 times 4. Alright, the answer is 24. Okay, to double check, very simple. You just take 1 over 6 times 24, you will get back 4. Okay, and n is already taken out already, so you're left with a square, right? You left with a square behind here. Okay, so we are done with the first one. For the second one, okay, n is being taken out. If I take out 1 over 6, so here we're left with a 12, right? Because 1 over 6 times 12 will give back 2, right? N is taken out, so you're left with an a here, and here is an n plus 1. Okay, and here since I take out n over 6, I left with these two terms behind, right? I left with n plus 1, 2n plus 1. Okay, and I need to cross out the bracket. Okay, so the n over 6 you leave it in front. Alright, inside just a method of simple expansion, right? So you get 24a square plus, you expand this thing out, you get 12an plus 12a. Alright, and to expand the one behind, you get 2n square. Right, 2n plus n is 3n plus 1. Okay, and I believe that's it, right? You can just leave your answer like this, it's fine. And so this will be the final answer for the sigma notation. So let's go through the steps again. Alright, first thing, you expand out the 4a, the 2a plus r square. Okay, then you break it out into 3 different parts. Okay, and then from there you just apply the formula and simplify the answer, right, until you get it.